Folks, we got one of the first runs of the Obsidian Audio 12s here. We'd like to show you guys
for the CSCO giveaway.
For the carserialclassifieds.org giveaway. If you would like to win this bad boy, go check out carserialclassifieds.org. All you got to do is sign up and post in a thread. Giving away that, didn't Coleman give away some audio techniques?
Yeah,
Toolmaker gave away some shit, excess power. I mean,
got another Toolmaker giveaway going right now.
Like a boss. CSCO people, carserialclassifieds.org. Get with it. Damn. And this is a 600 RMS sub. What do these go for? Like 169, I think? 159? Obsidian Audio. The owner of, what was it? I know Jacob from Sundown.
Stereo Integrity?
Yeah, Stereo Integrity. Him and the owner of Sundown got together and had a love child named Obsidian. Pretty beastly looking little bastard. 600 RMS supposedly. And like 160, 159 bucks. You might want to check that out, people. Go, check out carsterialclassifieds.org for your chance to win this beauty. It's nice.
Forget me not sweating, this starting Reeboks and G-Shocks. Roll it up, it rolls on. Good man, the circus is certified from